Hey guys, JTSpeeds back here with another one. Obviously, y'all know I live in Michigan. It's November 29th, Black Friday. This is the first snow I've seen to stick to the ground. Isn't this cool, guys? So we actually have some working to do outside, some labor, because my brother thought he was freaking Daryl Earnhardt in here. He thinks he's so clever. He smacked the mirror off a Chevy. Yeah. So I'm Chevy gang, you feel me? I'm Mopar gang, but I also do Chevys, and I rock with Chevy like this, and GM like this. Okay? So we pulling up on the Chevy. We gonna fix it. We Chevy gang, all right? So I'm gonna show y'all how to do this. I seriously cannot believe this. Look at how much snow is on the Audi, bro. That is crazy, yo. So now I gotta clear off this truck, and then we'll head to the Chevy that needs repair. With all the finesse in me, I have cleared off the Jeep. So now we're all ready to go. Pretty much all the snow is off of her. Man, don't you guys just love Michigan? Oh, there goes that piece. Alright, so I actually have four-wheel drive, as you can see, but I believe I'm gonna just stay in two-wheel drive because the roads really aren't that bad, and I just want to test and see, because usually I really don't have to go on a four-wheel drive that much, guys. Alright, let's see. Yeah, the roads aren't really that bad, so I'm just gonna do this setup for now, and if I have to, I'll switch to four-wheel drive. I just got to the Chevy gang garage, so I'm about to get my tools out and get to work. This is the Chevy that I'll be revitalizing, if that's a word, today, you feel me? I don't know what he did to this right here. Like, why is that wire like that? So we all gonna find out today why. I need to get these three bolts out. I'm really gonna go out my way to make this go as quick as possible, because yeah. Word on the street is that this cover just pops off. So got a screwdriver behind there. Alright, so we got this off. Now we got, I think it's, oh, it is 3 of them. I don't know if I can reach that one down in there. Freaking A, guys. Do not be like me when you pop this piece out of the door. Don't let it fly out of your sight, because that's what should happen to me. And yeah, I don't care. So I'm gonna open my Temu box. Temu toolbox. I think this is a 10. Are these 10s? They are 10s. Could they be 8s? No, it's a 10. So you take this little thing right here. I'm gonna do this one first. Lefty loosey. Get all these bad boys out of there. I really hope I'm not tightening this. I don't think I am. As you guys know, nothing ever goes as planned. So we are headed to some type of parts store. Y'all wouldn't have guessed that I was coming here. So now we are at Harbor Freight. Yeah, y'all wouldn't have guessed I was coming here for some general tools. Alright guys, so we just got back to the Chevy Gang garage. Don't mind me, I'm dropping the cameras. So we are back at the Chevy Gang garage. I got some pliers, so we're gonna try this again. Don't try to go and grab something very quickly on Black Friday. It's not gonna end well. Alright guys, so as you know, things don't go as planned. The video didn't go as planned, and this was a major fail. So, you know, I don't always get the win, but when I drill out whatever the heck screw is in there, I'm the winner, okay guys? So make sure that you're the winner in these situations, guys. I'm showing you guys my fails, and don't give up, you know.